Start a new era of LiDAR scanning with the FJD Trion S2 LiDAR scanner. Compact, powerful, and designed for precision. Featuring an integration design, the S2 is lighter and smaller for any surveying projects on the go. Equipped with dual 12-megapixel cameras and powered by VIO and SLAM algorithms, the S2 offers high precision that will never disappoint you. It can colorize point clouds in real time, so you don't miss anything during your scan. The S2 delivers 1.2 centimeter accuracy and up to sub 1 centimeter point cloud thickness, capturing the smallest details with super clarity. You can move easily with a stabilizing vest for 360-degree panoramic point cloud scanning. You can also mount it on an extension pole, vehicle, or robot dog. With such adaptation, no places are hard to reach. You can enjoy easy georeferencing with RTK and PPK support without the need for manual control points. Plus, with over 8,000 coordinate systems, you can collect accurate data anywhere you go. Integrated with FJD Trion scan and model software, the S2 offers a one-stop workflow from data scanning and processing to reporting. From construction and real estate to cultural heritage, mine surveying, forestry, and public safety, the S2 has got you covered. FJD Trion S2. Smaller size, larger capability.